20 Amazing Construction Innovation. Hello guys. Welcome to TopTechNerd. The Stone Ages, when people lived in caves, and relied on tools made of various sorts of stone, lasted around 2.5 million years. We've seen incredible breakthroughs in the area of construction innovation throughout human history. Here are the 20 amazing construction innovation. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell. Let's dive in. 1. Mechanization. The introduction of hydraulic and pneumatic devices in the mid to late 19th century was a truly remarkable innovation for our species, resulting in the development of earth-moving equipment and other apparatus that are today widespread in our business. Large-scale projects may now be completed in a fraction of the time, and with a fraction of the effort required thanks to these 19th century technology. 2. Computer-aided design, CAD. Architects, draftsmen, skilled stonemasons, and builders produced some of the world's most stunning buildings during the Middle Ages, employing groundbreaking design and construction technologies. Separate systems, electrical conduits, and high-voltage alternating current ducting, for example, were once a source of consternation for architects and builders working with two-dimensional plans and section drawings. 3. Building Information Management, BIM. Building information management has proven to be incredibly versatile, allowing architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors to collaborate on the minute aspects of design and construction using the same database and computer model. BIM is a collaborative method that allows all project participants to see and analyze design decisions, as well as spot interferences and other problems before work begins on site. 4. Off-site fabrication. It can be challenging to piece together massive sophisticated components on site when they are exposed to the weather. The growth of off-site fabrication has greatly improved this process efficiency. For example, a large heat exchanger manufactured in a vendor's shop will not only arrive on site ready to use, but will also benefit from better inventory management of parts and materials, as well as increased efficiency and productivity. 5. Modular construction. Thanks to the growth of modular construction, not only components like those stated above can now be built off-site, but entire buildings can as well. Modules are built using the same materials and to the same specifications as on-site buildings, yet they cause significantly less environmental impact. Components are delivered to the job site as needed. 6. Mobile devices. In the construction industry, mobile devices have provided real-time analytics. Instead of needing to write a report at the end of the day, foremen may now keep track of performance, conditions, and costs throughout the day utilizing reporting tools. Project managers can use mobile business intelligence to anticipate needed corrections and respond quickly to keep things on track and within budget. 7. Robotic Total Stations, RTS. Robotic total stations are a type of electronic theodolite with an electronic distance measurement that can be controlled remotely from a distance. The layout can be accomplished by a single person using a tablet with the appropriate software, resulting in increased productivity, enhanced accuracy, fewer mistakes, and less paperwork, as well as lower labor expenses. 8. Self-repairing concrete. To say that concrete is widely used in building is an understatement, yet it comes with a slew of issues. It's prone to cracking, which is mainly caused by exposure to chemicals in water. This is terrible news because cracks expand, and as they grow, they enable more water to enter the concrete, corroding the reinforced steel within. 9. Personal protective equipment, PPE. While personal protective equipment is not as technologically advanced as the other items on our list, there is no denying that it has helped to revolutionize the construction industry in terms of health and safety during the previous 40 years. 10. The Internet. Without include the telecommunications network that has changed building, this list would be incomplete. The Middle Ages architects could never have imagined the extent to which the internet has changed the way we design, build, and monitor building projects. The digital age has changed construction incalculably, from construction management software to remote-controlled, laser-based survey equipment like RTS and 3D laser scanners to cloud-based collaboration tools that allow engineering contractors and architects to communicate and exchange ideas before construction begins. 11. AI for construction workflows. In the construction sector, efficient processes are critical to the success of projects and teams. Workflows, on the other hand, have a propensity to be unconnected and manual due to the intricacy of construction. The silos that exist inside these workflows frequently result in the loss of critical data and inefficiencies as a result of disconnect. The construction innovation can detect potential safety issues, such as missing personal protective equipment, PPE, infringement of social distancing, work at height, and more. 12. Resource and workforce management software. For construction enterprises, managing resources and labor is a huge investment. Companies may use effective labor management to keep operations running smoothly, optimize resource allocation, and avoid unexpected costs and delays. Predictive tracking, forecasting, and mobile-first interfaces are among the latest workforce management advances. Many of the manual processes associated with resource planning are eliminated with these solutions. 13. Immersive Reality. Immersive reality brings real benefits to businesses, particularly those that rely on cross-departmental collaboration to get things done. It makes sense then that the technology is making waves in the construction industry. The Wild gives architecture, engineering, and construction (AEC) teams the ability to work on projects remotely through an immersive design experience. Teams can jump inside designs from any location, rapidly iterate on concepts, share work with clients, and leave feedback for later reviews. 14. 3D printing. The presence of 3D printing on this list should come as no surprise. After all, it has long been regarded as one of the most innovative construction techniques. However, as the technology progresses from novelty to established industry standard, its future looks even brighter. 3D printing technology is expected to continue to evolve and grow in the future, as businesses seek to improve quality control, address skilled labor shortages, and experiment with more complex designs. 3D printing will be there to assist them. 15. Predictive analytics and machine learning. We can't predict the future just yet, but with predictive analytics, we can get pretty close. Predictive analytics is quickly establishing its foothold in the construction industry's core stack of technology tools. By leveraging current and historical data as well as machine learning, companies can make predictions about future outcomes. 16. Digital twins. A digital twin is a digital counterpart of a physical entity's potential and current assets, systems, data, processes, workflows, people, and devices, as the name implies. In the building industry, digital twins collect data from sensors to better understand a physical structure and then copy it. The benefits of digital twins are especially important when there is a social divide, remote work, or travel restrictions. With a digital twin, essential information about a property is easily available, eliminating the need to travel or even leave a home office. 17. Modular construction. Modular construction is an alternative building method in which structures are constructed off-site, delivered in pieces, and then assembled by cranes. Because construction of the building happens at the same time the site is prepared, modular construction can be up to twice as fast as traditional projects. While modular construction currently represents a small fraction of the overall industry, 2/3 of contractors believe that it will experience increased demand in the coming years. 18. Construction exoskeletons. Exoskeletons, also known as exposits, are wearable machines with motorized joints that give additional support and power during repetitive tasks such as bending, lifting, and gripping. Exoskeletons are gaining popularity as a technique to decrease injuries and boost productivity for construction workers, despite their origins in rehabilitation programs. Some exoskeletons are driven by electricity, while others merely disperse weight around the body, but they all provide benefits for people. 19. Construction robotics. Construction continues to be one of the most labor-intensive industries. It includes many repetitive and time-consuming tasks which can be done faster through robotics and automation. Construction robots also reduce human-induced error and losses due to fatigue. For example, collaborative robots automate bricklaying, welding, rebar tying, painting, and many such repetitive tasks with great precision. Robotic solutions also automate heavy equipment and fleets for excavation, transportation, load lifting, concrete works, and demolition. This increases construction worker safety and significantly reduces operational time. 20. Drones. Drones have already made a significant impact in the construction industry, and their influence is expected to rise in the next year. Small, camera-mounted flying drones can cut the prices of processes that were previously prohibitively expensive. Drones have consequences for progress reporting, employee safety, and building inspections, among other things. So there you have it, guys. The construction industry is truly evolving right in front of our eyes. We're confident these 20 construction innovations will prove to be especially valuable in the industry today and in the future. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Bye.